cat's a guy. Together forever they'll be. If you look up best friends, you'll see it's Dennis and me.
Need anything from the kitchen, Sir Meows A Lot?
Meow.
We have way too much stuff. I know. Let's have a garage sale. Oh, here we go. Our first customer. Hi, Lady Barks a Bit. You want to buy a bowling ball?
Meow.
Hello there. You look like someone who enjoys nature.
Meow. Meow, meow.
Pinchy! I have just the thing for you. It's a scientific mystery. How did a cucumber get inside a banana? I haven't sold anything, Sir Meows A Lot. Got any tips? Your stuff's selling like crazy.
Meow, meow, meow.
I'll be here, trying to sell something. Anything.
Meow, meow. Meow. Purchase.
Deal! Sir Meows A Lot, don't sell the kitty carrier. We need it. Guess what? I made my first sale to two businessy looking dudes. You gotta start using the door, Sir Meows A Lot. The window's not an exit.
Meow, 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 meow.
I know doors are boring, but you break something, you pay to fix it.
Meow, 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 meow.
You could get a job. It's amazing how handy the internet is. You can find anything. Well, I'm gonna go do some errands. You find that job, Sir Meows A Lot.
Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow.
Just the usual, please.
Meow, meow.
Is everything all right? Oh, hey. Haven't seen you here before. I'm Dennis. And you are...
Meow.
Meow, 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 meow.
Sergio Mop sometimes. Well, you're doing a bang-up job, Sergio. Thanks, Sergio.
Meow, meow.
My salon!
Oh, hi, Sir Meows A Lot. Did you find a job?
Meow.
Oh, my phone died. Huh? I'm bald? Awesome! You know, I heard bald people have secret powers. Sir Meows A Lot! Again with the window. Sir Meows A Lot, we talked about this. No scratching the couch, remember? We got other things for you to scratch. Scratching pads, a cat tree, an actual tree. I should really water that.
Meow, meow, meow.
I get that it relaxes you, but you're destroying the couch.
Meh.
Then I guess you're gonna have to wear the mittens again. It's not forever, Sir Meows A Lot. Just until you get over your need to scratch the couch. Destroying the house won't make you feel any better. Why don't you try breathing exercises? Or yoga? I hear cat yoga is really relaxing. There you go. Sir Meows A Lot, you leave me no choice. Slip Away, a spray that makes every surface so slippery that you won't be able to scratch it at all. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. This is fine. Oh, hey, Sir Meows A Lot. Ready to sit nice on the couch without scratching?
Meow, meow.
It's gone. There was nothing I could do. I'm really gonna miss that couch. A lot of good memories. I'll never find another one like it. Whoa! No way! It's like the same couch. Where'd you get it? Comfy couch. Sir Meows A Lot. You know what? Never mind. Just do what you gotta do. Bye, Sir Meows A Lot. Remember, use the door if you leave the house.
Meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Meow, meow?
Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Sir Meows A Lot, I'm home. There you are. What you up to?
Meow, meow, meow. Meow.
Hey, wait a second. I'm pretty sure I remember this mirror. being a window. Ugh, I look gross. I'm gonna go have a shower. You hungry, Sir Meows A Lot? Come on, I'll get you some food.
When it's just you and me, my best buddy, I cannot comprehend how when we're together on moments like forever, you'll always be my friend.